Introducing this beautiful 2007 Honda Odyssey EX Conversion van. Offering a VMI NorthStar in-floor automatic ramp and kneeling system. This vehicle features a 3.5-liter VTECH engine and around 104,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your sliding door and ramp will stow or deploy. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2007 Honda Odyssey EX Conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.